Hey I'm about to recite a piece for you real quick. It's called I Want You. I want you. I want all of you. I thirst for your heart like it was the last cold bottle of water in the vending machine. I will pay $1.89 even though I can get a drink from the water fountain 2 feet away. I want you. I want all of you. I search for your mind like it was that raindrop I followed since it fell upon my window and ran the whole way down my reflection. Now it's lost with others, but I just want that one raindrop. I want you. I want all of you. I crave for your body like it was my blanket that fell from my bed in the middle of the night. I left my window open and I'm cold, but the warmth of your threads secures my body like your heart and your mind cannot. I want you. I want all of you. I hunger for your dreams like it was the Milky Way taken from the sky, once your wild imagination that got lost, now as the perfect candy bar invented. I want you. I want all of you. I gamble for your soul like it was all the poker chips laid out on the table. It was the last game, my last coin, and our last try, but I'll go bankrupt for your beliefs. I want you. I want all of you. I think for our future like it was a masterpiece drawn only in the artist's mind. All the colors, shapes, emotions, values, and will attained in a single pen that has no ink. I want a pure glass of clear water. I want a single rainy day. I want my childhood's blanket. I want a deep, dark chocolate bar. I want a love game that will never end. I want that masterpiece to finally be finished. That's how bad I want you. That's it. Let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe. Hopefully January be up on this soon. She in the Navy doing her thing, but hopefully she hit me up with a video so I could put up on here. But yeah, have a good night. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, but let me know what you think. All comments are welcome. That's one of my favorite poems that I wrote, because really out of my style, but kind of just went out of my comfort zone writing this poem. So let me know what you think. Alright, peace.